Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to freeze columns on Microsoft Excel. Today I'll show you two methods that you can use to freeze any column on Microsoft Excel. So at first open up your Microsoft Excel and then open any document. Now for the first method, just select the column that you want to freeze. Then click on View tab, and then on the window option you can find Freeze Panes. Then just click here, then click on Freeze Panes, and it's done. You can see your column has been freezed successfully. If you want to unfreeze it, just click here again, then click on Unfreeze Panes, and you can see it's unfreezed successfully. Now for the second method, just select any column again, then you have to press and hold Alt key and then press W key, then you have to press F key for 2 times, and it's done. You can see your column has been freezed successfully again. And that is how you can freeze column on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.